Good morning, gold hunters, prospectors, and adventurers. Jeremy here, the Gold Whisperer, back out on the Yuba. It's freezing cold, but can you still get gold in the wintertime? We are going to try. Oh yeah, just gonna brave the cold. It's freezing out here, guys, but the gold is still here. Let's go get some. Alright guys, back out here at Gold Beach. Yeah buddy, been a while. I was down in Mexico and you can see some ice floating along the river. It is getting cold. We are still going to do some gold hunting here today, and we're going to make this method pretty simple because you don't want to get your hands wet. That water's freezing cold. So we're just going to collect some sediment and then we're going to bring it home and we're going to see what it's got. Now I just got to pick the right spot. What is the right spot for gold? Pretty much all these spots are the right spot. Not sure which one I want to take. Oh, it certainly is chilly out here, but nice to be back on the Yuba. Early morning, super quiet. Beautiful. I noticed an area a little ways back from here. I have really good luck with gold when I find this color of sediment. And so back behind me here, just a few little steps over some rocks, and you do got to be careful because the rocks are extra slippery in the wintertime. They get coated in water, you could have ice. So you want to be careful if you are a madman out on a gold adventure in the cold weather. I'm going to go back to where I've seen this beautiful orange sediment. And it looks like it's going to be great. So we'll bring some up. Bring my test sample home. Run it through the blue bowl. And see what she has in store for us. It is slippery, I'm telling you. It's slick, guys. You can't do your normal rock hopping out here this time of the year. And more precautious steps. Okay guys, I'm over in the area where I'm going to get some good sediment to bring home. And I want to show you a little difference here and the changes in the sediment. Look at this sediment, it's kind of more gray. But there's probably really good sediment as well. But I've always had really good luck. If you watch the dirt, now watch how the sediment changes to over here. And see how it's a lot more orange. And there is a lot more heavier sediment right here. So we're gonna get this sediment, bring it on home, and run it through the blue bowl, and we'll see what kind of gold we get out of it. It looks good. Let's see, I gotta do my gold whispering thing. You got gold? Said yes. Smells like gold. Yeah, there's gold, guys, right here, and we're gonna get it. So let's bring it on home. Okay guys, so we got our classifier here with our sediment. Now this is a wet sediment, so it's not really going to classify out as good as you'd like. But it should be able to classify pretty good. Oh yeah, it's still working. And when bringing sediment home from the river, you're technically allowed to bring like 12 pounds of sediment home. So try not to really over exceed that, because not only is it not allowed, I don't believe, it's also it's pretty heavy stuff. You don't want to be weighed down too much while getting your grove home. So real simple, easy breezy. Classify this puppy out. Yeah, it's a lot more solid, and it's cold. It's freezing, but I believe, you know, gold's pretty heavy. Oh yeah, see, it's classifying. It is working. All right, and then we're gonna put that in our Ziploc bag, bring it home, run it through the blue bowl, and see what we get. All right, well, you guys will see me back at the blue bowl. All right, guys, simple as that. We got our 3 bags of sediment, a little less than 12 pounds, but you know, like I say, you don't want to carry too much out. It's numb, very freezing cold. It just took a few minutes with the classifier, which it doesn't work as well because it's wet, but it does work. So this is kind of an experimental run. We're going to see how it goes, and I think it's going to go really good. We should have some gold in these bags, most likely. If my gold whispering was right. They told me there was gold, so we're going for it. Alright guys, back here at the blue bowl. We're running this puppy. We're gonna see what we get. And I just put all the sediment in there, kind of fluff it up a little bit. You know, gold's heavy, it's gonna sink to the bottom, so it's gonna stay in there. You know, it's gonna take a little while to run like this when you run this much sediment. So we're just gonna let that puppy run, and we'll check back up on it a little later, and we'll see if we got any gold out of that baby. Alright. Over here I got my little barbecue going. Got some potatoes on the grill, organic potatoes. And I'm just about to put some steaks on the grill, or a steak. So it's just me right now. But one day I'll have a whole bunch of steaks on this puppy. So whoever comes over to eat some steaks. Cool, potatoes are cooking great. And they work really good this way. Found out you just pop them right on there. They work perfectly fine. Just let them cook for about an hour or so. At temp a little over around 300. Should get it a little bit higher, but not much, because I want it to cook for a while. So yeah, right around 300 is good. Feels great. Tell you what, I'm gonna be getting golden barbecuing all winter long if I'm here. But actually, I got a trip back to Mexico soon, so in late January I'll be back down to Mexico and relaxing and hanging out on the beach. For now, we are gonna be barbecuing and running some gold in this beautiful forest. It's working good, guys. Working good. The main thing when you fill it up this full, I got all 3 of them bags in there. It's a good amount of sediment, so just gotta be patient with it. Let it do its thing. You can see it's really taking it off too. It's really taking it off. Alright, see me back at the end of this run, and we'll see what kind of gold we got. Alright guys, well, the blue bowl is doing great. Over half the sediment is already gone. And I'm over here on the barbecue. And I got this nice little puppy. I'm going to throw it on the grill. And this is a little experiment. And it's just some really nice king oyster mushrooms, some regular oyster mushrooms, some onions, and some mango, and some seasonings. I got some sage, some pepper, some olive oil, a little bit of garlic salt, and because I don't have fresh garlic at the moment, that was my fault, so I had to use a little garlic salt. and a little pinch of celery salt. Oh, and paprika. Yeah, so I think it's going to be really good. I haven't actually tried this before with mangoes in it, so I'm really excited about it. It looks pretty good. And it's going to go on the grill. Just going to pop it on here. Nice little color. Yeah, let her do her thing. It really smells good, so I can't wait. My potatoes are doing really great. Potatoes on the grill work perfect, guys. Perfect. Close your one there. Oh man, guys. Right now, I wish I had smell-o-vision because this thing smells so good. This is a total experiment. But holy moly. But this smells delicious. Yes. Cooking it nicely. But you know, I can pop my stick on the barbecue. And we were having some dinner. I'm at this barbecue a lot, guys, and I might actually start a little cooking show too off to the side here. So see what else kind of neat stuff I throw on the barbecue. Holy moly, guys, this thing smells so good. I already want to cook it again. I'm just gonna do a nice little stir. Get the seasonings all mixed up. Oh, this cooks perfect. Right on. A nice low heat, so it's not burning anything. Just getting all the nice flavors in there. The mushrooms, mango, onions, garlic salt, pepper, celery salt, just a tiny bit. Because I had to use that garlic salt. Normally, this would have been done with fresh garlic. And a little tiny pinch of sage, which just really gives it that nice earthy aroma. Holy moly, it just smells great. With the mangoes and the mushrooms. Pepper, paprika. Oh yeah. I'll tell you what, this is good. I'm doing it again. It's got, oh yeah, it's got shiitake mushrooms too. I forgot to mention that earlier in the video. So shiitake mushrooms, king oyster mushrooms, regular oyster mushrooms, and that's it. And onions and garlic and mangoes. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Man, I'm hungry. Yeah, let that puppy cook for a little bit longer. I wasn't always a fan of the gas grill, but for ease of cooking, these things are great. And my brother actually found this barbecue for me for free, so that was even nicer. That's a totally awesome barbecue. Kenmore, when I got it, the parts were all new, got nice gauges, stainless steel, beautiful thing. It's a little polishing up. I've been gone for a month, so I'm going to polish her up a little bit. This thing is just great. What a score. This other beautiful barbecue too is a little polishing up. It's because it's been sitting out here in the weather. But this thing is gorgeous as well. Another freebie. Next grill. And Kenmore. What a score. Yeah. I want a nice barbecue. I barbecue on this puppy all the time. So it is definitely well used. I'll probably be barbecuing right here all night, every night. And you guys can pop on and see what I got. I might even make chicken noodle soup on the barbecue. Alright guys, well we are back at the barbecue station. And we're about to throw this steak on the grill. I am so hungry. And also we got bears that live out here and I do not want to get eaten by the bear. That's why I'm putting a nice piece of meat on the grill. And I am so hungry. I'm just going to pop this puppy right on here. I got some seasonings in here. I'm just going to open that puppy up. Look at that, for one steak. Jeez, guys. Well, what's the world come to these days? Let's open this puppy up. Yeah, spinning it. Right on the glue. Let's get her over there. I'm gonna pop that puppy on just like that. Oh shit. Here that says. Alright. Now, this has garlic, salt, because I don't got fresh garlic right now, guys. Black pepper, paprika, and I think that was it. And we're gonna shake, 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 shake her up. Yeah, shake, shake, shake that puppy. And seasoning's nicely mixed up. Just gonna lightly touch it on there. Bam, like that. Looks pretty good. Alright. Just put the cook. A few minutes, we're going to give it a little quarter turn, then we'll flip it over, season it again, cook it for another 3 to 5 minutes, and we'll probably have a really great steak. So, let's check on these mushrooms. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. Didn't even burn them here. That's what I also like about these gas stoves, is you can actually really control your temperature. That's a nice thing. Let's close it up. Give it a few minutes. Alright, I went ahead and flipped that puppy over, guys, because I would like to get some seasonings on it. That puppy up. Alright, I think that's going to be good. I'll have to season our potatoes with the leftovers. Yeah, seasoned potatoes. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, there's a lot of leftovers. That worked. I just seasoned it. Cool. Let's flip that over once so it's not too seasoned. There we go. Now let's let it cook. And that is one tasty looking steak, guys, and I'm about all done here, so let's do this all in one move. Open it. Okay, got the mushrooms and onion. Nice. Alright, we're gonna pop the potatoes in there, get the steak in there, we're gonna go inside and eat. And there will be gold at the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed my little cooking escapade. Oh, it looks great. I'm just dying to eat this thing. Alright, guys. Alright, there she is, guys. A nice, lovely little dinner. Looks great. Now, like me, I always forget things. I got a potato, but I got no butter. So, I'll have to get butter next time. Still a tasty potato. Let's try this out. We got mushrooms, and our mango, and our onion. That was excellent. Oh my gosh, yes. Excellent. Nice and tender. Wow. Perfect steak. I'm going to have a little feast, guys, without butter. Well, guys, dinner was really excellent. Really enjoyed it, and I just kind of want to get this video up pretty soon. So I'm not done with that blue bowl I was working on. I just want to show you guys some gold I got stocked up here. Looking nice. Not quite sure how much it is, because I don't want to weigh it yet. But she is getting heavy.